I came across this story and I have to pause for a second because there's no way it's real. It's so wild. It sounds like something straight out of a soap opera. The title was Dog Got Me and My Sister Pregnant. Now, before you all start calling the animal hotline, let me clarify. She didn't mean an actual dog. She was talking about a man. You know, the type who belongs to the streets, the community service provider, the walking red flag. Anyway, the lady in question found herself in a tight spot and needed some cash. And guess what? She knew someone who could help. But of course, this wasn't a charity case. The man had a price, and that price was her good. After some back and forth with her conscience, which clearly wasn't loud enough that day, she decided to go through with it. Business was handled, transaction was completed, and she walked away with the cash, convinced it was a one-time thing. Fast forward a month, and boom, she's pregnant for him. The same man she thought she left in the past. But hold on, it gets crazier. A few weeks later, she finds out her sister is also pregnant by the same dude. Now, let's do the math real quick. This means her child and her sister's child will be cousins and half siblings at the same time. Wow. Basically, family reunions are about to be very complicated. Sis, I'm not here to judge, but wow, your situation just went from bad to worse. Desperation really does make some people do some strange things for some change. And let's not ignore the elephant in the room. A condom could have saved everyone from this tangled up mess. You all weren't even scared of diseases, just raw dogging your way into family drama. Shout out to the stars for this story.